Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can join our Google Classroom. So hopefully the other day you got an email from me with a classroom code. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to open an email. So I hope you're well. Here is the class code. This is an example code. This is not the same as the code I sent you. But here we've got a code TRMGOOD. And we can just copy this one here. And then at the top here of your Gmail, you should have this little grid that says Google Apps. Please click on here. And we've got lots of applications. We're going to go down to the bottom. And hopefully you should see this one here, Classroom, like the green chalkboard. Please click on here as well. Okay, so when you get to this screen, you need to click on this one here so you can make a class or you can join a class. So we're going to click on this plus sign and we're going to participate in a class. Okay, so please click here. And then that code we had before, you can type it in like this, or you can just paste in the code too, and that should work as well. Again, this is not the same as the code I sent you. This is just an example, but please click on participate. And we have joined the class. So once again, this is just an example class, but we've joined it here. Okay, so I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Have a good day.